What's the meaning of artisan? Artisan. Artisan.
Artisan. Artisan. The term artisan refers to a skilled craftsman who creates goods or works of art by hand. Artisans are known for their attention to detail and their ability to create unique, high-quality products that are often one of a kind. These skilled individuals typically work in specialized fields such as pottery, woodworking, metalworking, or jewelry making, among others. The handmade nature of artisanal goods often results in a higher level of craftsmanship and uniqueness than mass-produced items, making them highly valued by collectors and consumers seeking distinctive, well-crafted products.